originally from Germany, but I've been in San Diego for a while now. And I met the doctor actually at my other job, which was at Park Nightclub. My vision before overall was not too bad, but it was my real problem was like seeing small letters. So anything credit cards or anything on the screen that has small letters, I had a very hard time reading that. So that was my main thing, and I wasn't wearing glasses or lenses or anything else. It's great. It improved a lot. I don't have no issues reading anything. Small letters, far away, close. I mean, everything is very well. I have no problems at all where I feel like, maybe itching or some beside my allergies, but that really doesn't have nothing to do with the surgery. Definitely made a big difference because I mean it was borderline embarrassing now because I had such a hard time, especially at my other job where I was taking a lot of personal information, credit card information. I just had such a hard time reading it. It's kind of embarrassing. So definitely no issues at all. It improved a lot and it just makes things so much easier. Everything's been doing really well, no complaints at all. I'm super excited and happy.